and helps us in understanding the science behind the working of this universe. How the sun shines, about the brightness of stars, how it rains, etc. It is through the knowledge of how this natural world functions. We are able to enjoy our existence on this earth otherwise, without education. We would have remained in the darkness of ignorance or illiteracy. My dear fellows, knowledge is defined as information and skills acquired through education and experience. Since time immemorial, every individual is going back to gain over supremacy over this world or to rule over other people intellectually. This power, therefore, should not be mistaken as or not just limited to physical strength. Knowledge, let me tell you friends, is more powerful than bodily strength because physical strength can feel once but not can feel once but not intellectual strength. Also physical strength doesn't last for a lifetime, but power of knowledge does. Knowledge helps in solving the mysteries and finding rational explanations of the things in this world. Application of knowledge is what enables us to understand the science behind the working of nature. Hence, prove the beautiful words by Francis Bacon, knowledge is power. Not every educated person can become a knowledgeable, but every knowledgeable person is a definitely educated. Gentlemen, I thank you.